Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and I hope you're all staying safe and staying home out there. Scary, scary times. But let's take our mind off things with a bit of planty stuff. And today I have been tagged in the perfect subscriber tag by collection of unseen nature, and therefore I'm very delighted to make this tag video. And before we begin, I just want to say a great big thank you to Nelly for tagging me in this unusual video, not necessarily plant related, but related to YouTube viewership habits, I guess. Now, in terms of my YouTube viewership, I am subscribed to very many channels, a lot of them to do with plants, but I'd say probably 60% of those channels are to do with other things. So that's why I don't make my viewership public, because it doesn't all relate to plants. And how that breaks down, gosh, it's difficult to know, but I can tell you that perhaps 60% of the channels that I'm subscribed to are comedy channels, whether it's stand-up or parody or whatever. So I certainly like a good laugh and I like watching comedy videos. And you know, we all have our moments of sadness, and mine not least of all because of the death of my son 3 years ago. But I think it's really important to try and keep one's spirits up, and that's what I try to do by watching comedy to lift my mood. So goodness, I think the tag wanted a list of channels that we subscribe to, and in terms of comedy, goodness, I mean, I watch a lot of the Irish stand-up, so Dara O'Brien, Dylan Moran, the English ones, Sarah Pascoe, Ramesh, Michael McIntyre, parody channels as well, so some in French I watch, Et tout le monde s'en fout, Norman fait des vidéos, a bunch of other ones which I won't go into now. So that's what I watch there. Of course I watch a lot of gardening channels, and I have the bell switched on for many of them. So who do I have the bell switched on for, and whose video do I absolutely have to go and see the minute it's published? And of course we all do this for our very best friends. So when Liga from Potted Jewels channel uploads a video, if I can possibly manage it, I drop everything and watch her video straight away. And likewise for Dimitri from the Green Nerd channel. Oh, there's another non-gardening related channel called Foil, Arms and Hog that absolutely love, and will drop everything to watch one of their videos. And they're an Irish comedy channel, 3 lads who do sketches, and they are so funny. So really, you know, if you like a good laugh, do check them out. And oh, so really nice as well. I mean, they still reply to all their comments under videos and interact with people, so that's really nice. Okay, so I've realised I'm kind of rambling on here a bit. I can't remember the questions I was supposed to answer. I thought I would just go with the essence of what was being required of me. And I guess in terms of gardening channels, I watch a number of French videos, and I try and watch maybe 1 to 2 French videos each day to just try and keep my hand in with new vocabulary and hearing the sound of the language in my ear. So yeah, so I do that. I also watch some fact channels, and the School of Life, which is a great one on emotional aspects in terms of emotional intelligence, and I think they're really good. One series I absolutely adored and couldn't get enough of recently was the one run by Summer Rain Oaks when she visited Thailand and visited lots of different places, and all of those videos were just such high quality and so well informed and informative, and I absolutely just couldn't get enough of that. But she's finished that series at the moment, so that's a bit disappointing. Okay, so I think I've rabbited on enough without a script on this video, and it remains, I guess, for me to tag a couple of people. I am going to tag Astrid from Astrid's Orchids channel, and Astrid has done very interesting experiments recently, giving up her smartphone completely, etc. So I think she's going to have an interesting take on this. Also, I'm going to tag Roger's Orchids. So Roger, you're tagged as well, and we want to hear what your viewership is like. And I guess I just want to end by saying I hope you're all staying safe, staying at home, and it is really strange times we're living in. Families are self-isolating and social distancing, and in terms of how that translates here at Douentza, I've got my son practicing drums upstairs really loudly. I have my daughter doing yoga. I've got my other daughter playing video games, my husband practicing his Spanish online, and me doing a massive repot of my Cattleya orchids. So it's great to have that family time, to be able to come together and to just remember that the garden, of course, and our plants are not out of bounds. So if something good can ever come of this, let it be that we spent that time to reconnect with our loved ones and to take very good care of our plants. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and that's all for now. Bye!